Good morning class. Today is 3rd of October 2020 and day is Saturday. We are on chapter 4, that is fraction, and we are learning multiplication. Yes, multiplication with fractions. Okay, in last class we have learned how to multiply two or more than two fractions. Okay, here we are going to learn few more methods of multiplication. Okay, now see, let's take few examples, children. Example 1. You can see here 1 whole 1 upon 2 in the bracket. Yes. And what you can see here, children? This raised to the power 3. On the top of the bracket, when we have closed bracket, 3 is written here. What does this 3 means here? What does this 3 means here? This means that 1 upon whole, so 1 whole 1 upon 2 we are going to write 3 times. I'm repeating again, children. We can see here 1 whole 1 upon 2 in the bracket. Yes, in the small bracket. And here you can see 3 power raised to the power 3. What does this 3 means? This 3 means we are going to repeat this given fraction 3 times. Okay. For example, just to make you clear, first of all, what you have to do, you have to change this mixed fraction. You have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So what will be this? 3 upon 2 raised to the power 3. Now this much is clear. Now what you are going to do? Nothing, children. It's really simple. 3 upon 2 this is 3. What is this? This is 3. So we are going to write 3 upon 2 3 times. So 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Clear? Now multiply this. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Yes? 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So 27 upon 8. Is our answer? No. Why? Why it is not our answer? Because it is improper fraction. And whenever we get improper fraction as an answer, we are going to change into mixed fraction. Yes. So here 27 numerator, we will divide with denominator 8. How many times it will go? 3 times. 24 minus 3 will here. Yes. So what will be your answer? Basically your answer will be 3 as a whole. This question 3 you will be writing as a whole, and this remainder 3 is what? Your numerator, and your denominator will be same. So 3 times 8 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 7. So this is your answer. This is our answer. This much is clear? Good. Now children, let's take one more example. Here we can see 3 upon 2 raised to the power 2. Here we can see 3 upon 2 raised to the power 2. This raised to the power 2 means we have to repeat this fraction this much time. Okay, if it is 5, we will be repeating 5. If it is 3, we will be repeating 3 times. If it is 7, we will be repeating 7 times. If it is 8, we will be repeating 8 times. Okay, so, and what is next? 3 upon 2 in the bracket raised to the power 2 multiplied by 1 whole 7 upon 9. First what you have to do? You have to write this in 2 times and change this fraction into improper fraction. Okay. So 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2 close bracket multiply 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 7, 16. So 16 upon 9. This much is clear to everybody. And children, always remember one rule. Board mass. Where B is for bracket, O is for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Always keep this in mind. If bracket is there, we are going to solve bracket first. Okay, then off means multiplication, then division, M multiplication, and after multiplication addition, and then at last we will be doing subtraction. So this much is clear. So what is here in the bracket, children? What is here? We are having 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2. So what we are going to solve here first? This bracket we are going to solve first. Yes, very good. Now, so 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 times 2 is 4. So basically this is 9 upon 4 into 16 upon 9. Yes. Now what you have to do? Now you have to see whether you can simplify these fractions more or not. Yes. How? Either we simplify diagonally or we simplify, either we simplify vertically or diagonally. Vertically here we cannot simplify. It is already in its simplest form. But diagonally we can do. You can see here, children, 4 and 16 we can do, and 9 and 9 we can do. Yes. So cut this 9 how many times? 1. This will be 1. This will be 1. This will be 4. So what you will be getting after this? You will be getting, dear, 1 upon 1 into 4 upon 1, which is equal to 4 upon 1. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 1, 1. Which we can write 4 as an answer. This is clear. So what is here our answer? 4 is our answer. Children, if no denominator is there, then 1 is a denominator. Always remember. So we can write 4 upon 1. It is right, and we can write only 4 also. This is not wrong. This is right. This much is clear. This example is also clear. Good. I am repeating again, children. This raised to the power 3, 2. That means you have to repeat that fraction here 3 times, here 2 times, and then multiply. If it is 5, then you will be repeating fractions 5 times. If it is 4, you will be repeating fraction 4 times. Okay. This much is clear? Good. Now, children, let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. Here you can see 2 whole 1 upon 2 of 3 whole 2 upon 3 into 3 whole 3 upon 4. Children, first what you do, just change these mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, 2 2s are 4, carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 upon 2 of 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 upon 3 multiplied, 3 4s are 12, and 12 plus 3, 15. Yes, 4. This much is clear. Children, do you remember just now I have told you board mass. What is this? B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So what? Bracket is not there. Yes, what is there? Off is there. So we are going to change this off into multiplication sign. Yes. So 5 upon 2 into 11 upon 3 into 15 upon 4. Yes. Now first check vertically, can we bring it into smallest form? 5 upon 2 is already in simplest form. 11 upon 2, it is already in simplest form. And 15 upon 4, it is also in its simplest form. This much is clear. So children, here vertically they are in simplest form. Now let's check diagonally. 5 3, no. 2 11, no. 3 15, yes. We can simplify this first. Yes, how many times this 3? 1 times. This 15? 5 times. So what we will be getting next? 5 up 2 into 11 upon 1 into 5 upon 4. Yes, this is clear. Okay, this much is clear, children. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply. What? We will multiply first this. Okay, don't get confused. First multiply this. So 5 into 11, 55. 2 into 1, 2. So 55 upon 2 into 5 upon 4. Yes, now what you have to do? Now multiply this. Simple. 55 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 here 2 will here. 5 5s are 25, 26, 27. So 275. 275 upon 2 into 4, 8. Yes, this is our answer. No, this is not our complete answer. Why? Because this is an improper fraction. And whenever we get answer in improper fraction, what we do? We change into mixed fraction. Okay. So here, divide numerator, that is 275 by 8, denominator 8. So how many times? 3 times, 24. Yes. So 7 minus 4, 3, 2 minus 2, 0. 5 will bring 5 down. So 8 5s are 40. 8 4s are 32. So 8 times 4, 32. What will here? 3. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So what we will be doing? This quotient will be whole number. So 34 is a whole, and this remainder 3 will be quotient. Okay, so this 3 quotient will be whole number. This 3 remainder will be numerator, and divisor 8 will be denominator. Is it clear? So this is our answer. This much is clear. How we do off sums? We change off into multiplication. That why? Because off means multiply. This much is clear? Good. Now children, let's take one more example. Last example, simplify. How? Again children, remember board mass. Okay, remember this board mass. Everything is there. BODMAS. Everything is there. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Always keep this in mind. Okay, it will help you. So what is there? What are the two signs are given here children? First, this multiplication and subtraction. So what we are going to do first? We are going to first multiply. But before we jump to multiply, I want you all to change this given fraction into mixed, change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 upon 5 multiplied by, again 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 upon 5. Okay, now 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2 multiplied. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2. This much is clear. Now children, what are the signs are given? Multiplication and subtraction. So before subtraction, see here, before subtraction, before this subtraction, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to multiply. Yes. So which step we are going to perform first? This and this. Okay, 11 into 11. I don't know. 1 1 1 1 1. So this is 121 55. Sorry. What is this children? 5 into 5. 5 into 5 children. 25. It will be here. 25. Yes. Then minus sign as it is. 3 times 3, 9 and 2 times 2, 4. This much is clear. Now, if unlike fractions are there, then how we are going to subtract or add? By taking LCM of denominators. So, take out LCM of 25, denominator 25 and denominator 4. Just take it out. 25, 4. How many times? 2. 25 as it is, 4 will be 2. Then again 2, 25, 1. Then 5, 5s are 1. Then 1 more time 5. Yes. Now what we have to do children? Nothing. This outer side we are going to multiply. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 5, 20. 20 times 5, 100. So what is our LCM? LCM is 100. We will take in next step 100 as a common denominator. How many times? 25 into 4 is 100. So, this 4 we will multiply with denominator 21, this what we call it, 121. So, numerator 121 multiplied by 4 minus, okay, now 4 into 25 is 100. Yes, so now this 25 multiply with numerator 9. So, 9 multiplied by 25. This much is clear to everybody. Now, what is next? Next is 121 into 4. Do it here, children. 121 into 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4. So, 484 minus 25 into 9. 9 fives are 45. 5 here, 4 here. 9 twos are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 225. 225 upon 100. This much is clear. Now subtract 484 minus 225. 14 minus 5, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9. It is 9. 14 minus 5, 9. 7 minus 2, 5. And 4 minus 2. So what will be this? This will be 259 upon 100. This is what? This is improper fraction. What we have to do? Change into mixed fraction. Simple. So 259 divided by 100. Yes, children. How many times? 0. 2 times. So 200. What will be the remainder? 59 is the remainder. Yes? 59 is the remainder. What will be here? 2 as a whole number. Okay. Remainder 59 as a numerator and denominator will be same 100. So this is our answer. Clear? Good. You can see here, children. This is our answer. Thank you.